Understanding the phrases, dry hair. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of phrases, specifically focusing on the phrase, dry hair. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this means and how to use it in everyday English. So, let's get started. Dry hair refers to hair that lacks moisture and may feel rough to the touch. It's the opposite of wet or oily hair. When someone says their hair is dry, they might be indicating that their hair feels brittle, lacks shine, and may be prone to breakage. For example, after spending a day at the beach, my hair feels so dry. I need to use conditioner to manage my dry hair. Beyond its literal meaning, dry hair can sometimes be used to describe situations or emotions, albeit less commonly. Let's explore. 1. Describing a problem. Many people face the issue of having dry hair and might use products or treatments to remedy it. So, if someone says, "I've been struggling with dry hair lately," they're expressing a need to take care of their hair's health. 2. A casual observation. It might also be a simple observation, as in, "Her hair looks dry," which could just be a neutral comment without any negative implications. In the English language, there are several other phrases that might sound similar but have different meanings. 1. Dry humor. This refers to a subtle type of humor, not moisture-related at all. It's humor that might not be immediately obvious or could be delivered in a deadpan manner. 2. Dry spell. This could mean a period without rain, or figuratively, a period of inactivity or lack of success in some endeavor. Remember, context is key when deciphering the meaning of these phrases. And there we have it. I hope this explainer video has shed some light on the phrase, dry hair, for you. The English language is full of fascinating phrases and nuances, and every bit of knowledge helps you become a more fluent speaker. Stay curious, and happy learning!